Hi, Mr. Non. Happy 60th birthday. Ngayon na may discount card ka na, kailangan mas madalas na tayo magkita para may discount na rin kami sa food. Okay, that's the essence of what I wanna say. When I think of Mr. Non, I think about good times spent laughing and eating. Laughing because you always make up your own jokes, you always make us laugh. Eating because that's what you love to do. And I always remember you as the person who never says no to a third piece of pecan pie, to another round of something you like. You really enjoy life to the fullest and it shows. Pero seriously, Mr. No, now that you're 60, please take care of yourself. Please use the treadmill in your room or give it to me. I love you. Happy birthday.
Go. Hi, sir. I have to read my código. Baka may makalimutan ako. Before greeting you happy birthday, let me recall our